This is the Royal Kludge RK R75, and it's one of the more cheaper alternatives to the more expensive keyboards you see online. Although there are some trade-offs like non-factory lubed switches, rattly stabilizers, and it only supports wired, it's still a great keyboard, and the sound makes for it all. Before we start this video, I just wanted to tell you guys to subscribe and drop a like because I'm trying to grow my channel, and you guys can stay tuned for more future videos. And now let's jump to the unboxing. Inside the box we have a plastic cable, 3 switches, and a keycap and switch puller. And it also has a knob. Yay! It comes as a 75% layout, so you keep the F keys, arrow, and those 3 keys. It wired and double kick-up feet for more customizable options. Here's the side profile, it's MDA, and there's also cherry. And it comes 5-pin hot swap with these pads, and yes, it comes north facing, but they also fixed that, and flex cuts. The Z key's lubed, the X key's not lubed, but there's more of a difference when you're in person. And this is non-lubed spacebar. Here's the sound test.